Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to Queen Sanaz's English channel, where learning English is always inspiring, simple, and full of positive energy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our amazing community of English lovers from around the world. Today, we are starting lesson 7 of the book 504 Absolutely Essential Words. This book is one of the best tools for improving your vocabulary, especially if you are preparing for exams like TOEFL, IELTS, or just want to speak English more fluently and confidently. In this lesson, we'll learn 12 powerful words that are commonly used in everyday conversations, writing, and media. For each word, I'll give you a clear and simple definition, an example sentence, a synonym and antonym, and tips on how to use it naturally in your speaking and writing. Remember, don't just memorize the words. Try to use them in your own sentences. Practice makes progress. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's begin lesson 7 together. Are you ready? Let's go. Vocabulary. First, casual, not formal, relaxed. Example, he wore casual clothes to the party. Synonym, informal, laid back. Antonym, formal, serious. 2. Identify, to recognize or name someone or something. She identified the man as her neighbor. Synonym, recognize, detect. Antonym, ignore, confuse. 3. Approve, to accept or agree with something. Example, the teacher approved the student's idea. Synonym, accept, authorize. Antonym, reject, disapprove. 4. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Example, the child was curious about the stars. Synonym, inquisitive, interested. Antonym, indifferent, uninterested. 5. Eager, meaning very excited or enthusiastic. Example, she was eager to start her new job. Synonym, enthusiastic, keen. Antonym, unwilling, uninterested. 6. Permit, meaning to allow something. Example, they don't permit smoking in this building. Synonym, allow, authorize. Antonym, forbid, ban. 7. Prepare, meaning to get ready for something. Example, he prepared dinner for his guests. Synonym, plan, arrange. Antonym, neglect, ignore. 8. Repeated, meaning happening again and again. Example, the alarm made a repeated sound. Synonym, frequent, constant. Antonym, rare, Occasional. 9. Request. Meaning, to ask for something politely. Example, she requested a copy of the report. Synonym, ask, petition. Antonym, refuse, deny. 10. Rhyme. Meaning, words that end with the same sound. Example, cat and hat rhyme. Synonym, match, echo. Antonym, clash, differ. 11. Minimum. Meaning, the smallest amount possible. Example, you need a minimum of 60% to pass. Synonym, least, lowest. Antonym, maximum, highest. 12. Annual. Meaning, happening once every year. Example, the company holds an annual meeting in December. Synonym, yearly. Antonym, monthly, daily. The mysterious visitor. It was a weird night. The sky was dark, and the wind made a violent sound as it passed through the trees. Suddenly, a man approached at the door of the old house. He looked emaciated, as if he hadn't eaten in days. His clothes were torn, and his eyes were full of fear. The owner of the house, Mr. Harris, was a kind man. He didn't hesitate to confirm the stranger's identity. "You're the missing traveler," he said. "I saw your photo in the newspaper." The man nodded and sat down slowly. Mr. Harris gave him some food and water. "You must be vain to travel alone in such dangerous weather," he said jokingly. The visitor smiled weakly. "I didn't expect the storm to be so urgent. I had no choice but to keep walking." Mr. Harris listened carefully. He didn't want to address the man's past, but he knew something was wrong. The visitor's story was full of valid details, yet something felt off. "I'm not here to sign anything," the man said. "I just need a place to rest." Mr. Harris agreed. "You can stay here tonight, but tomorrow we'll need to resist the temptation to hide the truth. People are looking for you." The visitor looked down. I know. I just hope they don't ponder too much about what happened. Mr. Harris nodded. Sometimes the truth is symbolic. It means more than just facts. The room fell silent. Outside, the storm continued to rage.